How to play Minecraft on Chromebook. Step 1 is to enable Linux on your Chromebook. Since Minecraft is not officially supported in Chrome OS, we need to enable Linux mode, which allows us to run Linux applications. First is to open Linux development environment. Click onto the settings icon, scroll down and select Advanced Developers. Click on Linux development environment, which is the beta version, and click Turn on and then Next. Choose a username. This can be anything. Set the disk size at the 10 GB. Click Install and wait for Linux to finish installing. Once installed, a terminal app will appear in your app menu. Step 2 is to download the Minecraft installer. Now that Linux is set up, we need to download the Minecraft installer file for Linux. Download the .deb file, open Google Chrome and search for Minecraft download alternative. Look for official Minecraft website. Download the Minecraft.deb file. Make sure you download the correct file. The file name should be minecraft.deb. Step 3 is to move the installer to Linux files. Open the Files app on your Chromebook. Navigate to Downloads where the minecraft.deb file is located. Drag the Minecraft.deb file to Linux files. And then step 4 is to install Minecraft via terminal. Now we will install Minecraft using the terminal. First is to open the terminal app on the app menu and type the following command to update Linux. Sudo apt update and then enter. This updates Linux so that everything runs smoothly. Step 3 is to install Minecraft by running sudo dpkg-i minecraft.deb. This will install the Minecraft launcher. If you get an error about missing dependencies, just simply run sudo apt fix-broken install. This will fix any missing installation files and complete the setup. Now on to the step 5 is to launch Minecraft. Once Minecraft is installed, you can open it and try playing. Click on the App Launcher in Chromebook, open the Linux Apps folder, click on Minecraft Launcher. Log in into your account using your Microsoft or Mojang account. Select your Minecraft version, like Java Edition or Works Best. Click Play and enjoy Minecraft on your Chromebook. Now there is an additional tip for better experience. Enable your GPU acceleration for better performance, allocate more RAM to Minecraft, and use a gaming mouse and keyboard. Conclusion. Yes, Minecraft can run in a Chromebook, but it requires a bit of setup. But enabling Linux, installing Minecraft manually, and optimizing your settings, you can enjoy a smooth gaming experience. Thank you for watching.